Hello, kids. Welcome to our class. So, before starting the class, let's start with a quote. The problem contains the solution. Yes, you read it right. Each and every problems come with a solution. It is your way how you find the solution for and from that problem. With this thought in mind, let's proceed to our chapter 2. In our chapter 2, which we have already read and discussed, there are few words which you might find difficult. You might those words are might new to you. So let's discuss about those words or the keywords. The first word is upright. Upright means in or into a vertical position. In or into a vertical position. जो सीधा खड़ा हो, that is known as upright. The second word to you is germinate. Germinate means to start growing or to grow a sprout is called germinate. You might have seen sometimes mama used to keep peas and pulses and like chana and moong, and it gets sprouted. White colored parts start arising from it. That is called germination. That are called sprouts. Third word which is new to you is corky. Corky means resembling cork. Cork is the outer covering, sorry, the spelling is wrong, outer covering of certain types of trees. Outer covering of certain types of trees which are very light and are used as cork for sealing the bottles, to cover the bottles and etc. Fourth word is fibrous. Fibrous means looking like fibers. You have read about fibrous roots. That fibrous means looking like fibers, or fibers are thin thread-like structures. The fifth word is taper. Taper means to reduce in thickness towards one end, or narrows and get directed towards a point. Taper means to reduce in thickness towards one end. See this pencil? The edge of the pencil is tapering towards the downward. The edge of this pencil is tapering towards the downwards. नीचे की तरफ ये पतला होता जा रहा है. This is called taper. The sixth word is atmosphere. The sixth word is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the air surrounding our earth. The air surrounding the earth is called its atmosphere. Erect. Erect means, the seventh word is erect. Erect means upright. Upright, the meaning of upright you have got in the first Serial first, that is in or into a vertical position. The eighth word is delicious, that is tasty. Your ninth word is nutritious. Nutritious, something full of nutrition or nutrients. Something full of nutrients is called nutritious. Here again comes a new word, nutrients. Nutrients are the substances present in our food which gives us energy, which help us to fight against diseases, and which help us to grow. The substances which gives us energy, which help us to fight against diseases, and which help us to grow are called nutrients. There are many types of nutrients present in our food. About this we will study in later chapter in your class. Now the third word is Mars. In your book the word Marsi is given, and Marsi area it is given. Mangrove plants grow in marshy areas. It is an area of soft wet land. Mars is an area of soft wet land. Okay, these are, I think, are new words to you all. Now let's proceed to some definitions which we can find out from this chapter. Few definitions which we can find out from this chapter are, there are 4 definitions. Let us study it one by one. Okay, let's see the first definition. This defined portion comes in your exams also, so learn these definitions. First definition is tap root. Tap root is a single long root with thin roots arising from it. Tap root is a single long root with thin roots arising from it. Example: rose, beans, neem, people, etc. You can say several trees. Almost all the trees have tap root, because tap root goes deep inside the soil and it holds the plant very tightly inside the soil and keep it upright. Second definition is fibrous root. Fiber, we have already discussed about it. Fibers are thin thread-like structures. So fibrous roots are those roots in which many roots arise from the base of the stem. Fibrous roots are those roots in which many roots arise from the base of the stem. Example of fibrous roots are wheat, rice, grasses, banana, etc. Wheat, rice, these come under the category of cereals. You have already studied in class 3 about cereals, and there are many more cereals like wheat, rice, maize, millet, barley. These all are cereals which have fibrous root. Third category which comes under definition is edible roots. Edible roots. Some roots store food in them and can be eaten, are known as edible roots. We can define edible roots as some roots store food in them and can be eaten, are known as edible roots. Example of edible roots are carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip. Okay, one more thing. While we are discussing about edible root in the class, few of you have given example of edible roots as onion, garlic and potato. Onion, garlic and potato, though they are underground part of the plant, but they are not roots. Though they are underground part of the plant, but they are not roots. They are modified form of stem. That part we are going to study in our later chapter, in chapter 4 or 5, might be in chapter 4 or 5, we are going to study about it. So we will deal it in that part only. Okay, so remember, carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip, these are edible roots. When you see a carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip, you will find very thin root like structures on it. They are edible roots. They are edible roots. But when you see a onion, you cannot find root like structures on the onion. Roots are attached to it on one of the part of the onion, but the whole part of onion is not a root. It is a modified form of stem that we will study in our later classes. Now our fourth definition is aerial roots. Roots which come out of the soil to get fresh air from atmosphere are known as aerial roots. Roots which come out of the soil to get fresh air from atmosphere are known as aerial roots. We have discussed about special roots and aerial roots, that mangrove plants contain aerial roots and banyan and maize plant have special roots. These roots also get sufficient oxygen from the atmosphere. The roots of banyan and maize also get sufficient oxygen from the atmosphere. So these are the four definitions. These are the four definitions that you need to learn and write in your copy. These are the four definitions that you need to learn and write down it in your copies. First, taproot. Second, fibrous root. Third, edible root. Fourth, aerial root. Let's recapitulate it once more. In today's session, we have studied about the keywords that we have seen in chapter 2. The first keyword is upright, second germinate, third corky, fourth fibrous, fifth tapper, sixth atmosphere, 7 erect, 8 delicious, 9 nutritious and 10 Mars. Apart from these, we have discussed about the 4 definitions which come across in chapter 2. First, taproot, single long root with thin roots arising from it. Second, fibrous root, roots in which many roots arise from the base of the stem. Third, edible root, roots which store food in them and can be eaten are known as edible roots. And fourth and the last one is aerial roots, roots which come out of the soil to get fresh air from atmosphere are known as aerial roots. Hope you all have got this. Hope you all have understood this. Now you can ask me questions if you have any confusion, and your homework is write define of chapter 2. Write define of chapter 2. This is your homework for today. Write define of chapter 2 and learn keywords and define. That's all. Thank you.